at the end of the practice session. The first thing to do is to take the reed out of the instrument carefully and have a safe place to put it. Sometimes that means the case that it came in, it's better to have a reed case that will hold perhaps 3 reeds. Put that away safely. And the oboe needs to be swabbed. There are silk swabs that will pull through the entire instrument. I use a cotton swab that goes through one joint at a time. Has weight on the end. It's t-shirt cotton. First of all, being careful again to not squeeze the keys. Take the top joint off. Carefully set the rest of the instrument down. The swab has to go in the bottom of that joint, pulls up through the top. Mine does not come all the way through. Some do. If they do go all the way through the instrument, you have to make sure there is no knot in anything because it's very tiny at the top of that instrument and swabs get stuck. Top joint back in the case, being very careful that it is in exactly the right position. Then the bell and the middle joint, I put the swab in the bell, pull it out the top of that with this right side up. And wipe out the tenons. Take off the bell with your thumb on the B-flat key, if there is one. Gently place it back in the case and check that it's sitting flat in the case and the lid easily closes. Then you're finished.